Hello all, in this video we are going to see the use of event-based task in Informatica. Now in order to validate that, we are going to execute a simple scenario. Let's assume that you have a business user who creates a file, source file, at a particular location, and your job is to read that file using Informatica, and whatever data it has, you have to insert that data from that source file into your data warehouse. However, the only problem here is your business user cannot confirm a exact time by which that file is available on that specified location. So the strategy which you have to use over here is, whatever workflow which you will create, it should get executed as soon as the file is available on a particular location. That means you should have some trigger point, or you should have some event which will always look for that file on a specified location, and as soon as that file is available on that location, your workflow should get triggered automatically. Now this type of scenario we can handle using event-based tasks, which Informatica has provided. So to validate that thing, we'll create a simple mapping called m event weight validation. Our source will be countries flat file. It has only 3 columns in it, and we'll use target as a relational table, which is again a countries table, or whatever table, dummy table you want to use, you can use that. So let's pull countries table here. Let's save the mapping, and our mapping is in valid state. Let's create corresponding workflow now. Event weight validation. So we'll create a source file at this location. Let's copy this location and give this as an input. So file which we have to process is countries.csv, and target is Oracle. So if you check, so this is the location which we have specified, and at this location currently that countries.csv file is not there. So let's create the event weight task now. Event weight, and I will specify the country, that file name, countries, let's say. And if you check here, it will prompt you to use this event or create this event, this task, event weight task, by two things: either it has to be predefined event or the user defined event. Since we have to create or use this event weight task in order to validate the file at that particular location, we'll use this predefined event weight task, which also is a file watcher event, and we'll specify exact file name there. So, let's copy this directory location, and also specify the exact file name, which is countries.csv, count countries.csv, and we'll add this task between start task and our actual session task. Let's link these two tasks now. We are done. So our workflow is also in valid state now. So what our workflow will do is, it will not execute this particular session task unless this event gets satisfied. That means unless this file is available at this particular location, this event task will not get succeeded. So the next task, session task, which we have attached after the event weight task, even that will wait until this task gets completed. So let's run this workflow and see. So as you can see that event wait task is currently running. Now let's create that file. It got succeeded. Since our file doesn't have any records, even this next session will not process any records. So as expected, it has processed, it has read 0 records, and 0 records got inserted at the target table. Let's try again. I will delete the file which I have created right now. Now let's execute this workflow again. As you can see, currently the event wait task is running. Event wait file watch task instance, event wait file watch task instance, which is currently running. Now so basically it's waiting for that file which is not available, countries.csv file which is not available in the specified folder or specified path. Now let's create that file again. It got succeeded automatically, and next task started which got succeeded. So this is how we can use event wait task for the file watching purpose. Thanks for watching this video.